So it's my privilege to, just briefly, let's step back and let's look at the impact that COVID-19 pandemic has had on global economies. It has also impacted pretty much very antiquated workplace practices and have really forced global and local companies to reinvent themselves in order to stay alive, but also equally important for those companies to actually remain relevant in these times. We've seen many first world countries fall back into more strict lockdowns after initial restrictions were relaxed, and some level of what we used to know as normality actually returned. The COVID-19 pandemic has really been more disruptive than what anybody expected of the new technologies and the associated disruptive behavior that we expected from this fourth industrial revolution. So certain companies have achieved major successes in their response to COVID-19, and they've also done this in record time. So these successes can be attributed to a couple of key initiatives. In order for companies to survive and thrive, they will have to accelerate their assessment as well as the adoption of these different technologies. Lockdowns have truly accelerated what everybody refers to as digital adoption, which is driving entirely new patterns of consumption. We've removed boundaries and silos in ways no one thought possible. Decision-making accelerated when we cut the BS. We can make decisions in one meeting, limiting groups to no more than 9 people, and they've actually banned PowerPoint. We've increased time to direct connection with teams, resetting the roles and energizing our managers. We've adopted new technology overnight, not the usual years. And we are putting teams of our best people on the hardest problems. If they can't fix it, then no one can. So it's all about the recovery, using technology to improve business performance, whether that means creating new products or imagining current processes when it comes to dealing with consumers.